YouTube has given us opportunity to advertise ourselves, our personality, our passion, and our ideas. That is why YouTube brought out YouTube banner. YouTube banner simply means an image that describes what your channel is all about to your audience. So you wouldn't like to misuse that opportunity given to you for your subscribers to know what you're doing, or your audience or your viewers to know what you're doing in your channel. So you have to hurriedly make sure you create your YouTube banner and upload it to your YouTube channel. If you don't know how to do it, that's why I'm here. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today is your first time tuning in, thank you. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you as well. If creating banner is your problem, do well to subscribe, like, share, and follow me to my channel as I break everything down, both creating a YouTube banner and also uploading it to your YouTube channel. What is YouTube banner? YouTube banner simply means your signpost. In the same way you have church signpost, school signpost, that's how you have signpost, YouTube signpost. And is this your YouTube banner that will help your audience to recognize and know what you're doing in your channel. So if this is something you're interested about, do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And lastly, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Without wasting much of your time, let's move to the practical aspects of this video. So the first step is to head over to our Canva app. I'll click on it. If you haven't get an account or you haven't created an account, make sure you sign up for free, and it only takes a minute to sign up. Go to your Play Store and download this particular app. Okay, so this is the Canva homepage. So what you're searching for here now is YouTube banner. So from here, I just come over here and type YouTube banner. It will bring out template for you. Just go ahead and type YouTube banner. YouTube banner. All right. So once you type on it, you're going to see this template. And remember, this template, you have pro version. Pro version simply means the one that you have to pay money before you use. So I'm going to click on this particular one. This particular one that I have, food vlogger Samira, which is the one I'm using. So I'll choose it. So what you're going to basically do here now, if you check through, you have to see that you have some features on it. So what you're going to do is to highlight in any one that you want to edit. Okay. So now I'm going to customize this design. I will not leave it like this. I have to change the profile picture, I have to change the write-up, even the food blogger or the subscriber. So the first thing I'm going to do is to highlight this. So this is it. I have to work on it. I'll first of all remove this text. Samira, I have to change the name first. Okay. Do you see it? So the name, if you want to change the color, you can feel free and come here, add color you want, add bold text, make the text bold, italic, anything you want to do. But first of all, I've clicked on it, so I want to delete it. So now it's have deleted. What I will do now, I'll go ahead and type my own name, the name of my channel, which is basically Queen Confy TV. Queen Confy TV. Do you see that? So because my name is bigger than that very particular one, I have to do what? Reduce it so that my name can enter well. So I'll come over to this place that you have vlog. I've already removed it. I'll come over here and put I'll just put YouTube coach, or you put anything that your channel is all about. Okay, so me, I'm into YouTube growth niche. I'll put YouTube growth. So when I'm done with that one, YouTube growth, I'll come over to this picture, the profile picture. So I need to delete it. I'll delete this picture. Once I delete the picture, I'll delete the image. I'm not deleting the frame. I only delete the image. So I've deleted the image. I'll come here and I want to replace it. I'll click on replace. Once I click on replace, it will bring me to my gallery. So right now I'm in my gallery. I have to choose any picture of my choice. So look at my profile picture that I collected from my gallery. What I'm going to do now is to remove background. That is, if I wish, and if I like, I can leave the background the way it is, or I can change it. So I'll come here and write YouTube growth. YouTube growth. Then I can make it bold. I can add any color of my choice. Can add any color of my choice. You see it. So can add any color of my choice. So that is it. So this subscribe, if I like, I can also do what? Click on this subscribe. I can edit it. I'll leave it the way it is. Okay. So that is basically how to do it. So you have to make sure you change it, customize it to your preference. Customize it how you like. And make sure you are not using pro version. When you are done with customizing your YouTube banner, you just come over to this up place and tap on what? Tap on it. It will tell you download. Of course, you click on download. You see, download. You click on download. Preparing your design, making the magic happen. So it's now downloading to my gallery. Do you see this? So make sure you customize it the way you like, the way you want it to be. Just edit everything I want to do there. Everything here is free of charge. Okay. So now that I'm done downloading it to my gallery, the next thing I'm going to do is to show you how to upload this particular banner to your YouTube homepage using your YouTube Studio, the desktop version. So let me walk you through on how to do it right now. To upload my YouTube banner, the first thing I'm going to do is to move to my Chrome browser. Click on my Chrome browser. So I will open my channel dashboard. So now I'll now move to my channel customization. I'll click on it to open. Your YouTube banner will automatically open. This is my YouTube banner here. This is my profile picture. So now I said upload. You can see this very well. Upload. So I will click on this upload. So now this is my YouTube banner here. Now I have uploaded my YouTube banner. With this banner now, anybody that comes in here, you see that. You see my signpost. And I click on all devices. So all devices are expected. You are now asked whether to change or remove. Do you want to change the YouTube banner or do you want to remove it? Of course, I don't want to change or remove it. So I'm done. I have my profile picture and I have my YouTube banner. So that's it, guys. That's how to upload your YouTube banner. Very easy and simple. So that's it, guys. And I want to publish my YouTube banner. Yeah. So this is my YouTube banner. So easy to do. If you want to change it, you can change it. But for you to do that, you only change it in every 14 days. Bye and see you in my next video. So if this video has been of any value to you, you learned something from it, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And if anything is confusing you, Drop down your question on the comment section below. Bye bye and see you in my next video.